Ay mga boss, if you're looking for a place to stay in Baguio, I highly recommend 8 Haven. Dito ako nagstay na pumunta ako ng Baguio and tingnan nyo naman, the place is very spacious and clean, nice and comfy, and pwede kayo dito magluto. Kompleto na sila sa lahat. Yung toilet and shower room nila is very nice and clean din. Meron pa silang pa-essential kit, and of course, hot shower, very nice. Meron din silang small balcony here, like if you want to smell the coldness and breeze of Baguio, dyan kayo. Meron ding side view. And dito ako natulog, sobrang comfy ng bed. Meron ding smart TV and also game board for entertainment. So sobrang na-enjoy ko yung stay ko dito sa 8 Haven mga boss. Lalo na yung coffee sa maga. So if you're interested, itatag ko na lang ang 8 Haven.